कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है।
वो फायरिंग उसको रोके।
वॉर रुकवा दी पापा।
The world's biggest democratic election.
Marathon election.
A mammoth undertaking.
The world's biggest exercise in democracy.
India is the largest democracy in the world. But what is a democracy? Democracy is a system of government in which power is vested in the people, either directly or through elected representatives. It is characterized by principles such as political equality, majority rule, protection of minority rights, and the rule of law. In a democratic system, citizens typically have the right to participate in decision-making processes, either by voting directly on issues or by electing representatives to make decisions on their behalf. This video aims to provide guidance on how to vote fairly and independently. A vote is a formal expression of preference or choice in a matter put to a group decision. It's a fundamental aspect of democracy, allowing individuals to participate in decision-making processes. The outcome of a vote determines the course of action or the selection of a candidate based on the majority decision. India's first general elections, in which people cast their votes, were held in 1951 to 1952. These elections marked a significant milestone in Indian history as they were the first elections after India gained independence from British rule in 1947. The elections were conducted under the provisions of the newly adopted Indian Constitution, which established India as a sovereign democratic republic. Millions of Indians participated in these elections. A political party is an organized group of people who share similar political beliefs, goals, and ideologies. These parties aim to gain political power and influence by contesting elections and forming government or opposition. Political parties play a crucial role in representative democracies like India by providing a platform for citizens to participate in the political process, shaping public policy, and representing diverse interests within society. People vote for political parties based on shared values. They choose parties whose principles align with their beliefs, policies address key issues, leaders exhibit competence and integrity. Voting for a political party is a means for citizens to express their voice, participate in democracy, and influence the direction of governance. Voting independently and fairly is crucial in any democracy. It ensures that each individual's voice is heard and that the collective will of the people is reflected in the outcome of elections. Voting is our fundamental right. Voting allows citizens to actively engage in the democratic process by exercising their right to have a say in decision-making. By casting their votes, people contribute to the selection of representatives who will shape government policies and programs. Voting ensures that diverse voices and perspectives are represented in the political arena, promoting inclusivity and equity. Elected officials are accountable to the electorate, as they must respond to the needs and preferences of the voters to secure re-election. Wisely choose your candidate. It's essential to evaluate candidates based on their qualifications, policies, and commitment to serving the public interest rather than succumbing to divisive tactics like religious or political polarization.
और पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे, घुसपैठियों को बांटेंगे। क्या आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का पैसा घुसपैठियों को दिया जाएगा?
By voting thoughtfully and responsibly, individuals can contribute to the promotion of unity, inclusivity, and good governance within their communities and beyond. Political parties may try to influence your decision with offers of money and other incentives, but it's essential not to succumb to such tactics.
अब की बार
मैंने कहा था ना, कैसी भी सिचुएशन हो मोदी जी हमें घर ले आएंगे। वॉर रुकवा दी पापा और फिर हमारी बस निकाली पापा।
Beware of false promises and misinformation spread by political parties. It's up to you to choose the best candidate to represent your interests and those of the people. Vote fairly and independently, ensuring your voice counts in the democratic process.